Hi everyone, thanks for coming here. In this video, it's not important if you don't see my face. The main thing is, you can hear my voice clearly. Okay? Guys, I will show you step by step how to use Alibaba to find and purchase products, communicate with suppliers, and avoid scams. So whether you're a seasoned importer or just getting started in the world of e-commerce, this video will provide you with valuable insights and tips for success. Okay, don't waste your time, let's start from the beginning. The first step is, you must have an account, buyer account. Let's find how to create it. Go to Alibaba.com. This is what you will see. This is Alibaba.com. Can you see this section? Click it. You can log in with your Facebook account, your Google account, your LinkedIn account, or even your Twitter account. In this video, I will show you how to log in with Google account. Just a simple click the Google logo. Another page will pop up and you have to provide your email and password. Enter your email and your password. Just follow all the instruction you have to do. And congratulations, you have an account now. Now, you need to edit your profile by click this account menu. In the personal information menu, choose my profile. Then you can edit each section one by one. One more time, congratulations with your buyer account in Alibaba. But if you don't have time to switch on your computer, you can use your smartphone. I use an iPhone, so I will let you know how to create your account with your iPhone. Download the app from App Store. While complete, open it. You can register with your Facebook account, your Google account, your LinkedIn account, or even you can sign in with your iPhone passcode. Select the convenience one with you, and done. You have an account now. The second step is find the product you want to buy. Over here, you can type a product with a keyword. Or you can upload a picture of the product you want to buy. Now you can see, all familiar products are showing. You just scroll and find the match supplier with you. As easy as that, guys. The third step, we need to know a trusted supplier. How we find it? It's easy. You can see this section, supplier features. Tick the trade assurance, again, tick the verified supplier. Done. All shown products supplied by a trusted supplier. Do not hesitate to buy from one of them. The fourth step is negotiate with the supplier. Let's say you have found your product from the trusted supplier, and you want to know the real price and all information about the product. All you have to do is click the Chat Now. You're one-on-one with the supplier. Ask anything you want to know about the product price, packaging, delivery method, anything. Don't forget to ask the supplier to send the stuff with door-to-door method. Just say that you want door-to-door method delivery. Ask the supplier to find the best express cost. They will help you. Or, you can choose delivery that has been provided by Alibaba. But my suggestion is that you can ask the supplier to find the shipment for you while you learn to negotiate. Okay? Now let's say again that you have dealed the price. The fifth step is time make a payment. Guys, please do not ever make the payment outside Alibaba's platform. Ask the supplier to create the link payment through Alibaba's trade assurance. You can see from your dashboard over here. Click the order and make the payment. Once you get the link, click it, make the payment. In the checkout form, you can choose the payment method you want and then click Pay Now. Each payment method you use have some fees. Let's see how much fees for each method. Select which one make you convenience. You will get notice by email when the supplier received the money. Or, you can see your order right here. Maybe you ask in your mind, what about my data, my bank data? Is it safe? Someone will steal my credit card data? I can say, you will not lose any data, and nobody will steal ITU. You just lose your money to pay your order. The sixth step is, just wait your package arrive in front of your door. While seated, you can track the package over here. Later, when the order arrive in front of you and you see the product comes different or rejected, you can complain. Alibaba will facilitate you to make a claim. You can click the refund button. You can find it over here. Click it, and follow the shown step. Don't forget to upload a proof. This is the last step using Alibaba to buy products you want. It's easy, right? Yes, more easy when you have practice. I have used this platform from 2018 until now, and never cheated. My credit card data never stole. So safe, so secure. For your information, I made $267,574 during several months. I will show you my dashboard overview so you can get more trusted and confident about this platform. Let's make a dream. Someday Alibaba will invite us for always using their platform to import goods. Anyway, my current level in Alibaba is Pro Buyer, the highest level. But I start from zero. If I can do that, so all of you can do. Practice makes you perfect, guys. But for now, done is better than perfect. Thanks for watching, and if you have a suggestion for next video to upload, please comment below. Thanks for watching.